Nariman Point, it's Mumbai.
Please subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell icon to get notified whenever I am on YouTube. Thank you.
Hey guys, I'm Sonika. Welcome to my channel, which is all about photography, travel, cameras, vlogging. And in today's video, I'm going to take up a photography challenge and I'm going to photograph the amazing Nariman Point of Mumbai in as many ways as possible in different frames and perspectives. So guys, if you want new videos from me every Wednesday, please consider subscribing. And now let the photography start.
First, I'll take a straight up shot of the city from the promenade. We can get a reflection of this scene on any car's glass window. Another angle of this reflection on a Volkswagen. Now I'll just use these leaves as a foreground. I also converted this photo in black and white in post-production. Let's include some more people in the frame. People with dogs.
To reach here, you can come here directly by road or by train. You can disembark at Churchgate Railway Station or CSMT and then come here by cab.
This artist is making a portrait live. I can see some nice patterns and leading lines here, and this man walking here, bullseye. A girl looking out at the sea. Same scene in long exposure. You'll find many people clicking pictures at Nariman Point.
It's gonna be a long walk at the promenade, which can get hot.
In addition to people, birds also make good subjects. Nariman Point and sunsets. Lastly, let's use this tree as a frame.
So guys, I had a lot of fun today and I took so many photographs. This place is a street photographer's paradise. And if you guys like my vlog, please give me a huge thumbs up. Leave a comment down below about which places in Mumbai you want me to cover next on my channel. Share this video with your friends and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Also turn on the bell icon to be notified whenever I post new videos. Here is my previous vlog, a similar photography vlog I did at Bandra Worli Sea Link. Please go check it out guys. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more such videos every Wednesday on my channel. Bye.